This is a 2011 Ford F-150. It features a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, full power accessories, a stability control system, an anti-lock braking system, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a rear split bench seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 44,000 miles on the odometer. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Joe Cooper Midwest City Ford is located at 6601 Southeast 29th Street in Midwest City. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.